5, please take the meal. 6, please take the meal.
Breakfast. Den, Eden. Puro food trip na lang. Suka. So that's it for today guys. Grabe. Sobra yung calories ko ngayon. So roughly nasa 828. So 3k calories ako ngayon. So bukas back to regular routine lang tayo. Wala tayong dapat baguhin. Pasensya na. Tao lang. So yes, that's it for today. Pang day 34 ng calking. Hindi na cutting, calking na. Pang day 34 ng cutting natin, calking natin. So lagay ko na lang dito yung calories and macros. So that's it for today guys. See you again tomorrow. It's upper day and busy day bukas. Peace.